Everyone's asking, what is MetaMask? How do you use it? What are the mistakes that I need to avoid when using the MetaMask wallet? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what is MetaMask, how to use it, and watch to the end to see what mistakes to avoid when using the MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is a crypto wallet and also a gateway to other blockchain applications. You can use MetaMask on your mobile device on iOS or Android, or you can also use it on your internet browser, both Firefox, Brave, Chrome, pretty much any browser that supports the internet. People use MetaMask for a variety of things. Most people use it to either store their NFTs, Ethereum, or other Ethereum-related tokens. MetaMask has integrated with a bunch of key blockchain and cryptocurrency applications. One of the main ones is OpenSea. OpenSea currently is the #1 place to go buy and sell NFTs. So this makes perfect sense why MetaMask will be integrating with OpenSea. MetaMask has over 30 million users, while OpenSea only has around just over 1 million users. A quote from crypto software giant Consensus reads, "A global user base relies on MetaMask to mint and collect NFTs, join DAOs, and participate in DeFi protocols. The United States, the Philippines, Brazil, Germany, and Nigeria represent some of MetaMask's most active markets." This makes a lot of sense because this is where cryptocurrency is being adopted the most, and this is where MetaMask is penetrating in those markets. So if we think about MetaMask as the door into your house into crypto, then you want to protect that house with everything you can. MetaMask, there are a lot of mistakes you need to avoid when using MetaMask. One of the mistakes is forgetting or losing your seed phrase. It is a 12-word phrase given to you and automatically generated by MetaMask that can help you access your account and your funds in case you forget or misplace your password. Some more mistakes to avoid are not letting your computer get hacked and letting people access your MetaMask wallet through your own hardware device. Another common mistake to avoid is don't connect your MetaMask wallet to unknown services, servers, or groups. So you don't want to go ahead and give someone your wallet ID and your seed phrase and give them everything and all your access to your MetaMask wallet. You want to keep this as tight and as closely and privately as possible. Do your own research and follow this advice, and in the end, we're all going to make it.
Hey you, did you like this video? Great, we make 5 of them a day and post them here on this channel. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and see you next time.